Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning, with efforts extending towards students, teachers, and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Namaste children. How are you all? I think you are fine, right? Okay. Already you learned this lesson, right? First lesson. Sinbad the sailor, right? Already you learned this one. In that lesson, already you completed this comprehension part also and match the following. Everything you completed, right? True or false. Question and answers are there. I will give next class. Then in this lesson, grammar, already you learned that noun, proper noun, common noun, and next one, collective noun also you learned, right? Okay, next come to the vocabulary part. Page number 13. Take out your textbook now. Page number 13, vocabulary part, okay? Here they gave some words. Which words? Those are, you know. Some of the 1, 2 or 3 words are there. Means these 2 hidden words. 2 are the hidden words. Like here they gave some pronouns. It may have 1, 2, 3 or many words units. Okay. Examples: bat. Here they gave one example. Bat. Bat. Battle. Means in battle 2 words are there. See, like that, bat, battle, like that, they gave many examples here. See, the word bat has only 1 syllable or 1 word in it. Okay. The word battle has 2 word units or has 2 syllables in it. Okay. When the word is uttered as a single word unit, okay, it is called as a monosyllabic, means one word it is, okay. What we are calling that monosyllabic word. When the word has 2 word units, it is called a 2 syllable word as a disyllabic word. Here two words are hidden in 1 word, okay. For example, you can identify, here they gave many examples. See, to identify the number of syllables word as, say the following words aloud slowly and clearly. See, greater, greater, 1 word it is actually, but in this word 2 hidden words are there. Greater, great, they gave like this type. See, great, they gave gap and greater. Okay, then sleepy, again they gave a hyphen and the p. And triton, triton. Then paper, like paper, paper is there, no? Paper. Then flower, flower, you know that flower is a 1 word. flower. What is difference? Means any other meaning is there? Flow. Flow you can. Flower. Then L. Like this step, you can see that all of them have two word units. Here, what they given here: greater, sleepy, frightened, paper, flower, and the yellow. These all two word units. Okay. Here they give examples. Okay, come to next. Read each word and say if it has one word unit or two word units. Write them in the table below. One has done for you. Already they gave one, they given. And in the box, in this box they gave options, means all one and two units words. Okay. You have to divide in this column. Okay. First one has done for you. First one word unit. One they give, day. See, the day. Day is there, no? That is a one unit word. Okay. Then next one, two word units are there. Forest. Forest. Here also you can divide like this, like that type. Forest. Then next you can make a list. See, I read. If it is a one word unit, you can write in one word unit column. Okay. Then if it is a two word unit, you can write there. If you want, I'll write you. Okay. This is a one word unit. Next, two word unit. Okay. Here they gave some words. Day, already they gave day. Day is a one word unit. And that side, forest they give. Forest is also two word units. Okay, two word units. Next one, run. Is it a one word unit or two word units? Run. That is a one word unit. Okay, I'll write here. Run. Next one, bus. They gave bus. Day over. Already they gave. Run, I wrote now. Then bus. Is it a one word or two word unit? Yes, that is also one word. Bus. Then next one, forest. Already they gave, right? Okay, next, hills. Hills. It is a one word or two words? Yes, that is also one word. Hills. Then next one, nest. Nest. Nest also one word. Next, music. Music. I'll write here, okay? That is a two word units. Music. Then, pencil. Pencil. Two word units. And then, book. Book is one word unit. Book. Okay? Next, school. School also one word unit. It will take this word we will pronounce in a minute. Like school. We can drag double O is there. School like that. Then here school over. Then mountain. Mountain is also two word units. Mountain. Then diamond. M-O-N-D, diamond. See, like this type we can say these are one word unit words, but these are two word units. Means these are we are calling Monosyllabic words. What we are calling this monosyllabic words means it is a one word. We can't divide like two words. Okay. For example, here they gave many words like that. We can't divide these all. So this one we are calling monosyllabic words. But these are big words means we can divide this one. Mount, aim, like die, diamond. Like this type we can divide. Okay, see like this type they give. Then complete this one in your textbook. Next, come to next page. Page number 14. Here they give pronunciation. Here they give pronunciation means some rhyming words they give. Okay, I'll show that. Okay, listen and repeat the words given in the box. In the box, they gave some words, right? Focus on the sound made by the vowel O. Means O, it will, how we will read? First one they gave woke, woke, oak. See, that sound is only oak, right? Then sold. It came that pronunciation sound is only, right? Then oat, here also oat. We are not at all pronounce V oat. Okay, here these all the consonant letters, but this is a vowel sound. We are pronouncing from this letter only. Sold here. Oak, old, sold, oat, like that. Then next, what is the sound of T? T, right? T, old. See, T, old, told, old. See, told. Just I add T sound, beginning of O. Okay, told. Then here I add two consonant letters before O. See? Then I add OW. Grow. O. See? All words while oak, sold, oat, told, grow. See, these all words will start, means that sound is O only. Then here, old. O. That sound also O and the letter also O. Then, what is the sound of F? F, right? F. Then low. Here also they gave two consonant letters. Flow. See, flow. Two consonant letters they gave, then vowel, right? Next, mold. Mold. See, these all letters we are pronouncing O. Here three, here one, here three letters, here two letters. See, all letters. Oak, sold, oat, told, grow, old, flow, move. See, all words. These all words sound is same, right? See, all what I underlined here, these all letters pronounce as a O sound. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay? Okay, next listening skills are there. You can ask your parents to read all the lessons. Listen that lesson carefully. Okay, and then Come to next speaking skills. Here they gave one passage for you. Means that is one of the conversation between two person. Okay. How they are giving here? Practice the following conversation with your friends. You can conversation with your friends. In class also you are doing as the same, right? As the same here they give one concept here. See, means a person is telling, hello, did you go to the park last Friday? He is asking like that. Means another one person. He is asking to another one person. Did you go to the park last Friday? But what he is telling, yes, I did. Why did you not come? Why he is telling, why did you not come? Say, anyhow, if he is telling any other thing that A person will ask anything for that, B person should, what? He should tell something about that, right? As the same, A person is asking him, did you go to the park last Friday? That time he repeat give one answer. Yes, I did. Why did you not come? Again, a person is telling, I went to watch a movie with my parents, so I did not come. This is one of the conversation between A person and the B person, right? Next, B person is telling, that's nice. That is nice. What movie did you watch? He is asking again one more question. What movie did you watch? Again, a person is telling which movie or what movie he watched in last Friday. That thing he is telling now. We watched our latest incredible movie that was released last week. He went to watch the movie. Means that is a incredible movie. Okay. Uh, then again, B person is asking, how was the movie? After movie, we are asking them, right? How was it? How was the movie? Like that, he asked like that. How was the movie? The movie was very good. I really enjoyed watching it. Again, what a person is telling, the movie was very good. I really enjoyed watching it, he said to his friend. Then B person is telling, great, I have to go now. For what? I'll meet you later. I have to go now. I'll meet you later. He said like that. Then okay, sure. See like that, there are conversation between two friends about only the means they want to go park, but one person is not gone there. So they were discussing about that. Okay, you can discuss any matter with your friends. Okay. Okay, next come to next part. Reading for fun. In this reading for fun, this is one of the small story. How you read? No, this Sinbad the sailor is there. No, that is the one of the story of collection story of in this part. First, what they said. Here they gave 1001 line, one nights. That is one of the book, right? Story in that collection of folk tales of the Arabian country. It is also popular as the Arabian Nights. Okay, Sinbad the sailor is one of among the story of the collection. Now here is another story of Aladdin and his magic lamp. You know this one. Okay, from this collection, read and enjoy. Here, this is one of the story. You are a small kid, right? As the same, this Aladdin story. See, once I read, listen carefully. Okay, Aladdin was the son of a tailor. He was a very playful and careless boy. One day, while he was playing in the street, an old man approached him. He told the boy that he was a distant relative of his father and that he had seen Aladdin as a small kid. The old man was none other than a wicked magician who used to trap small children inside a cave. Not knowing this, Aladdin believed whatever he was told, that old man. Next, the old man asked Aladdin to follow him. After following him for a couple of hours, Aladdin and the old man reached a dark cave filled with treasures. The old man asked Aladdin to get into the cave and take whatever he wanted. As soon as Aladdin got into the cave, the old man pushed a big stone to block the entrance and trapped the little Aladdin inside. Soon Aladdin began to cry loudly. By chance, he started rubbing the side of a lamp that was in the cave. There, a genie came out of the lamp. Aladdin was happy. He asked the genie to take him home. The genie became a humble servant of Aladdin. He served his master forever and they lived happily together. This is also one of the small story, okay, like what Sinbad and the sailor is there, no? Like that, this is a Aladdin and the magic lamp. This is one of the small story. Means Aladdin is a small boy like you, okay? If anybody is telling something, means they want to give. That is like whoever it may be, they will trap and to take the small kid somewhere, like this old man did, no, like that. See, I'll repeat once again. Aladdin was the son of the tailor. He was a very playful and careless boy. Who is that? Aladdin. Aladdin was a playful and a careless boy. One day, while he was playing in the streets, while he is playing, an old man approached him, means come near to him. Okay, he told the boy that he was a distant relative, means far relative to that Aladdin. He said that old man said like that, I am your far relative from far of his father, your father, like that. He said that, and that he had seen Aladdin as a small kid. He saw him, from the small kid. Like that, he said the lie actually. He said like that. Then the old man was none other than a wicked magician who used to trap a small children inside a cave. Like he is a one of the what children catcher. Okay, like that. Not knowing this, Aladdin believed whatever he was told. He don't know. Aladdin is a small one. He don't know anything about that. What he told, everything he believed that. Okay. Next, the old man asked Aladdin to follow him. He is moving somewhere. As I say, he told him to follow him. After following him a couple of hours, Aladdin and the old man reached a dark cave filled with the treasure. The old man asked Aladdin to get into the cave and take whatever you want. He told like that. Get inside and if you want anything, you can take. Everything is there in the cave only. If you want, you can take like that. Whatever you want, you can take like that, he said. As soon as Aladdin got into the cave, you also, if it is any new things for you, you are go and watch that and take that one you are watching or playing with it. Right? You are feeling surprised, right? As the same, this Aladdin also felt as the same. As soon as Aladdin got into the cave, the old man pushed a big stone to block the entrance. If any child will come inside, they will close the door and anything, right? As the same, this old man did. Means he closed the entrance with a big stone. With a big stone. And trapped a little Aladdin inside. Already he is inside the cave, right? Aladdin. In that time, he closed that entrance with a big stone. In that time, if you are in that place, you also feel like scared, right, about that. He is an unknown person. We don't like that. I'm your far relative. But you don't know who is he and where are you, everything you don't know, right? As the same, he also felt like that only. He's scared about that and he is telling like, he started crying. See, Aladdin began to cry loudly. In by chance, he started rubbing inside the lamp that was in a cave. In the cave, lamp is there. He started rubbing the side of a lamp that was in the cave. There a genie came out of a lamp. In that suddenly one genie came from the lamp. You can imagine that is one of the like magic man. Okay, like that genie come out of the lamp. Aladdin was very happy. Why? Because that genie will help to the Aladdin, right? So he was very happy. He asked the genie to take him to his home. He is telling if any knowing person came to that place, unknown place means you are asking him to take me to my home, like that you are asking, no? As a same he did. He asked the genie to take him home. The genie became a humble servant for Aladdin. He served his master forever and they lived happily together. See, this is one of the small story. Okay. Okay, read this passage carefully. Okay. Next, come to writing skill. Here they gave some fill in the blanks and option answer also they gave. Okay, fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. One has been done for you. Look at this picture. Here they gave one picture and many animals are there. Okay, in that picture, what are they? Like that, they are asking questions here. Options are given here. Sheep, hens, farm, pigs, cows, cheese, kale. Okay, first one. Many animals live in the dash. What is that? Many animals live in the which bird is suitable for that dash? Farm, right? Many animals live in the farm. Okay, next second one. The owner takes dash of them. Many animals are there means who will take care of them? Owner only, right? Means the answer is care. The answer is care. Okay, next one. The farmer milks the dash every day. Who milks there? Farmer, right? Farmer milks the cows. Which one is suitable for that dash? Cows. Okay, next. We get wool from dash. Which animal will give wool for us? Which animal is suitable for this dash? Yes, sheep, right? Sheep will give wool, right? Okay, next. We make dash from the milk. Here they gave option. Almost all answers over. 2, 3 are left. Which one is suitable for that? We make dash from the milk. Yes, the right answer is cheese. Okay. If you have doubt, you can ask in WhatsApp class. Okay. Next, come to next page. Page number 60. Here they gave one value for life. They are telling and picture also they gave. See, look at this picture carefully. Everybody has book, no? Look at this picture carefully. One boy is there. He is standing in front of one toy world, means one shop. And in front of that, one beggar is there. One man is there. He wants to some food or something. He wants money or food or something. So he is sitting outside of the shop. I see the two toys is there, and many are there. That is one of the toy shop. Okay, toy world. Okay, here they gave some questions for you. I read first. You are entering your favorite toy store. Okay, you are entering your favorite toy store. Near the entrance, you see an old man seeking alms, means he is begging. Okay, you have money only for the latest toy. You planned and took money only for that latest toy. You want to buy that latest toy that is like costly or something like that. You have money only for the latest toy that everyone wants to have. What will you do if that beggar is there in outside the shop? He is begging something. What you have, you can give. No? See here, they are asking some questions. You will buy food for him and use the balance money to buy some other toy. Are you ready for it? You will buy food for him. You have some money now. Are you ready to uh, give some food for him? Or how many are left? Balance amount is there, no? Are you want to buy some other toy? Not only that latest or costly toy. You can take any other toy also. Is this your choose? You can choose this one. This is your choice. Okay. Next, second one option. You will ignore the old man and buy the toy. You thought already you want to purchase a latest toy only, that is costly toy. You ignore him. That person is there, no? You ignore him and whatever you want, that latest toy is there, no? That one only you buy from the toy shop. Are you doing like this time? Then third one, you will go home. You are not at all thinking about that old man and the toy also. You will go home. Are you doing like this right? I don't know. That is your choice. Then fourth one, you will give him the money and ask your parents to take him to a shelter home for the homeless. Which one your option here? This is one of the value. Means what you learn from these days. See, you can choose anyone. Okay? See here they said you will give him a money and ask your parents to take him to a shelter home for a homeless. Means that is he is a beggar. Maybe he don't have any home or shelter. Okay? If you want to take him to your home, or any other shelter, like that you can do. Other you can ask your parents to give money to him, or you can ask your parents to money and you can buy any food for him. Like that you can do. That is your wish. See that purpose they are giving these four options. Which one is your choice? Which one is your choice? Okay, think and give answer. Okay. Here life skill. Here they give some questions. You can learn these all. If you have any doubts in these lessons, you can ask in WhatsApp class. Okay. If you have any doubts, read again this all lesson. What I gave in last class. Everything you read again, write, practice, and then if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay.